What is going on, guys? So today I've got the 2016 Audi A3 Quattro here. I want to take a minute to kind of talk a little bit about reviews on the APR carbon fiber intake system. Pretty good kit. I've been pretty happy with it. So going over just different opinions about it, the install, performance, and all that kind of stuff. So overall, am I happy with this carbon fiber intake? The answer, I would say yes. I think the fit and finish on it is really clean. The install process was very straightforward. Cracking this guy out of the box pretty much was mostly pre-assembled, so really not a huge headache as far as fitting that guy in there. So I'm pretty happy about that. I mean, APR, you know, if you're Audi Volkswagen guy, pretty strong name in the industry there as far as like your aftermarket authority for that kind of stuff. So I think the build quality is exceptional. I mean, fit and finish, super clean. I really can't say anything negative about it. Obviously, anything carbon fiber, pretty lightweight there. Fits right in that little air dam up on the front. That's this little section right there. So pretty good. As far as like the performance, the sound, I would definitely say it's worth an upgrade. This car right now at this point in time, again, 2016 A3 Quattro. This one is APR Stage 1, and it's got the intake on there. So pretty good. This model, if you guys decide to pull the trigger on one, you are going to make sure you want to add that secondary air filter, so that way you've got something on there. You don't have just some random hose hanging out on the side of the road. So that's definitely something you want to get if you choose to purchase this system for your vehicle. I also went ahead and got, I don't know if you guys can see it, but this piece here, I believe that part is the carbon fiber inlet tube. So that's something separate that you would need to add in addition to this kit. So that way you don't have like that little accordion style OEM right next to your nice new carbon fiber intake. So I think if you're all about the clean fit and finish, I'd say that's worth it. So yeah, I'm happy with this intake. Very happy with it. So it's been good so far. It's got a nice little sound. This car, not insanely loud. Still running the stock diverter valve. I'm not a huge, crazy, whooshy, blow-off valve kind of guy, to each their own. But if you wanted just a little bit more, a little bit more sound on the deceleration, that's really up to the person. But I'm happy with it. The sound as is, performance-wise, has been pretty good. Obviously when you go stage one, you're picking up quite a bit of torque, especially on the low end with these vehicles that share that MQB platform. So pretty good intake alone. I mean, obviously, this is not one of those things where you're going to bolt on intake and expect massively ridiculous gains or anything like that. Obviously a fan of making improvements, combining hardware and software. So that's kind of my perspective on that. But yeah, great intake. I would highly recommend this kit if you got a Mark 7 GTI, Golf R, A3 S3 TT, whatever it is that you're building on the platform. So yeah, and I'll go ahead. I'll go ahead and start it up so you can hear the sound. Let me go and do that. So hopefully you guys get a little glimpse of that sound there for this APR intake. So all right, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video there, and you guys stay tuned for the next move on this A3 project. All right, see you guys.